Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to pick up from where we left off the last time on the topic of System Center Operations Manager. And what we did in the last tutorial, we installed the System Center Operations Manager, and in this tutorial I'm going to make some more configuration changes so that we can get everything working together. So next on the task, we're going to configure computers and devices to manage. So I'm going to click on that link on the Operations console, and then we're going to choose the type of computers to discover. Since my network only has Windows computers, I'm going to select this first option here. Go next, and I'm going to select the type of discovery. We can either have an automatic computer discovery to search the domain for computers, or we can have an advanced discovery where you can select the particular options for discovery, whether clients and servers, or both clients and servers, and also the management server. I'm gonna leave it to automatic computer discovery for all Windows-based computers. And I'm gonna use the management server action account to be used when installing agents. If you remember in the previous tutorial, I did use a domain admin account for the management server action account, so that that account will be used when installing agents on computers. So now I'm going to click on discover. I just have about 4 or 5 devices on my network, so this should pick up those devices, this discovery process. Okay, so it did in fact find all devices, so I'm going to select all machines and then go next. These machines are presently unmanaged, meaning that they don't have the agent installed. Then I'm going to select the agent installation directory, and I'm going to specify credentials for the agent to use when performing actions. And I'm going to leave the local system for the account that the agent will use on the remote system. So I'm going to click on finish. And we can view the task status of the deployment for each computer in this dialog box. I can also click in the monitoring tab of Operations Manager the task status link to view the status of the deployment. Okay, so all the agents have been deployed with the exception for one particular computer, which I will have to figure out why. And it seems to be a timeout error. So I'm going to click on close. And the next required step, configuration task, is to enable notification channels. So I'm going to set it to email notifications to a predefined email address. So I'm going to set the IP address for my Exchange server or email server. This will have to be in the format of an FQDN, so we can't use IP address. And then the return address. Go next. And accept the default parameters in this email, the different fields that I would like to be emailed in the notification.